Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Podcast. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah. Today's episode is a short story, but with a big lesson.
The title of today's story is A Life-Changing Morning.
Listen carefully and try to understand the story in English.
It was a cold Monday morning.
A young man named Daniel woke up late.
His alarm did not ring.
Daniel looked at the clock and said, "Oh no, I am late again."
He felt tired, angry, and unhappy.
Every morning felt the same to him.
Daniel did not like his job.
He worked in a small office.
Every day he did the same work.
Sit, type, wait, go home.
He often said, "My life is boring."
That morning, Daniel stopped at a small coffee shop.
The shop was quiet.
An old man was sitting near the window.
The old man smiled and said, "Good morning."
Daniel answered, "Good morning," but he looked sad.
The old man looked at Daniel and asked, "Why do you look so unhappy?"
Daniel was surprised.
He said, "My life is not good. I feel stuck."
The old man nodded and said, "I understand."
The old man said something simple but powerful.
Your morning decides your day.
Daniel listened carefully.
The old man continued, "If you start your day with anger, your day will be angry."
Daniel asked, "So what should I do?" The old man smiled and said, "Change one small thing every morning. Wake up early. Smile. Be thankful."
Daniel thought about these words.
They sounded simple.
But they felt important.
For the first time, Daniel felt hope.
The next day, Daniel woke up early.
He did not check his phone.
He opened the window.
He took a deep breath and said, "Today will be a good day."
At work, Daniel smiled.
He spoke kindly to his coworkers.
He focused on his work.
Something felt different.
Days passed.
Weeks passed.
Daniel felt more confident.
His life was changing, slowly.
Sometimes, change does not start with big actions.
It starts with a small morning habit.
Your morning can change your life.
Now, listeners, answer these questions.
Pause the video and speak.
Question 1. How do you start your morning? Pause.
Question 2. What small change can you make? Pause.
Daniel slowly created a new morning routine.
He woke up 30 minutes earlier every day.
Daniel drank water and stretched his body.
He stopped checking his phone in the morning.
Instead, he thought about one good thing in his life.
At first, positive thinking felt strange.
Daniel was not used to it.
But he kept trying.
Every morning he said, "I am learning. I am improving. I am thankful."
Daniel started taking a short walk before work.
Daniel listened to birds.
Daniel watched the sky.
This made him feel calm.
At work, Daniel began to speak more.
He shared ideas in meetings.
He asked questions.
People started listening to him.
Daniel felt more confident every day.
He was no longer afraid of mistakes.
He understood that mistakes help us learn.
This changed his attitude.
After work, Daniel started learning new skills.
Daniel read books.
Daniel watched educational videos.
Daniel used his time wisely.
One day, his manager noticed the change.
The manager said, "You are doing great work."
Daniel felt proud.
Soon, Daniel got a new opportunity.
Daniel remembered the old man from the coffee shop.
He smiled and thought, "That morning changed my life."
One small habit started everything.
Now, this story is not only about Daniel.
It is about you.
You can change your life too.
Start with one small habit.
Now, listeners, let's practice speaking.
Answer in simple English.
Question 1. What habit do you want to change?
Question 2. What will you do tomorrow morning?
Routine, something you do every day. Confidence, believing in yourself.
Opportunity, a chance to do something new. Habit, an action you repeat often.
Big changes start with small steps.
Your morning decides your future.
Thank you for listening to Learn English podcast.
Practice every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.